The T.F. Hudgens Texas Rotating Equipment Service Center is a 36,500 square foot turbo machinery rotating equipment facility specializing in steam turbine, centrifugal pump, and gearbox repairs. Starting with disassembly, we rigorously capture all work history in detail in our standard documentation procedures. We work closely with our clients to capture their requirements and to ensure that they are documented and implemented. Our machine shop includes 2 5-inch boring mills, 1 4-inch boring mill, 2 large VTL lathes, various horizontal lathes, mills, and tooling to machine tolerances that meet or exceed OEM standards. The TRE machine shop is primed to line bore multi-stage steam turbines and centrifugal pumps. In the rotor shop, our balance technicians utilize 2 Hoffman balance machines capable of balancing to API tolerances of 2W/N and balancing rotors up to 5,000 pounds. We pride ourselves on delivering quick turnaround for emergency repairs while still providing detailed quality work at a fair market price. Each job is completed safely in clean workspaces and with routers for each job ensuring a quality repair process. Our assembly technicians are equipped with the best tools and have extensive experience repairing all makes and models of rotating equipment. The TRE Bearing Shop manufactures fluid film babbited bearings in-house for steam turbine, pump, and gearboxes. Our inventory includes Kingsbury, numerous tilt pad style thrust bearings, and service includes all instrumentation for RTDs and thermocouple installations. We have an extensive library of prints for most makes and models of our clients' turbo machinery. TRE's CNC shop manufactures and inventories over 10,000 rotating equipment components. This allows for fast turnaround time on parts not readily available in the marketplace, enabling our customers to reduce downtime. TRE tests all repaired equipment to ensure it meets API tolerances and standards. Our wireless sensor technology ensures that all vibration and temperature is within specified parameters and assures the client the repairs performed will meet or exceed their expectations in the field. Further, we are pioneering the use of leading technologies that enable our clients to remotely view test runs. We are passionate about what we do, and we welcome the opportunity to work with you and your team to collectively improve your rotating equipment reliability.